Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about roles and responsibilities, community, Panchayat Raj, institution, urban local bodies, state, center and other stakeholders. Unit 2 approaches to disaster risk reduction. The subject name is disaster management. Panchayat role during the first phase of disaster management. Here, the following are the major roles and responsibilities of the three-tier system of local self-government before, during and post-disaster management period. Gram Panchayat or village level roles convenes meeting to ensure timely warning, to update information on civic amenities and population, etc., to select safe location for people and livestock, arrangement to evacuate the elderly, the disabled, children and women, medical and sanitation facility at relief camp, disconnecting power lines during high winds, storing good food grain, drinking water, etc. Panchayat role during the first phase of disaster management in block level. Supervise preparedness of Gram Panchayat, consolidate village level information on items listed under Gram Panchayat, assessing preparedness of primary health centers and arrangement. Engineering staff at the block level should repair drainage, canal and roads. Contact ex-army security force volunteers to organize task force for assisting. Produce and keep ready rescue material including boats. Function as link between district and village level disaster activities. Next is district level roles during first phase of disaster management. The district collector or CEO should convene a meeting of all district heads of secretarial department and panchayat member before the state of likely cyclone period, that is May to June or October to November. Initiate all concerned department to take up necessary repair and maintenance and related work of preparedness. Organize task force at district, block and village level to identify NGOs useful in providing assistance during disasters. Check inventories of items required at short notice for rescue and relief operations. At first warning, call meeting of crisis management group and alter alert the block villages. All crisis management group, that is CMG members, should be asked to keep their personnel in full preparedness. Panchayat role in rescue and relief before and during natural disaster impact. Gram Panchayat or village level. Set up temporary shelter, relief camp after initial warning or store food and water for people livestock. Evacuation of people and livestock should start immediately after final warning. Keep rescue volunteers and task force readily. District Black Medical Relief Team may be asked to take position at strategic point and coordinate with people volunteers task forces. Organize veterinary aid team for taking care of livestock and removal of carcasses. Disposal of dead bodies and prevention of the spread of epidemic. Assessing loss of life, livestock and damage to farming properly. Panchayat role in rescue and relief before and during natural disaster impact in mandal or block level. Identify volunteers in their area and send task forces to supervise safety measures. Evacuate people from this area and help the panchayat in organizing relief camp. Arrange for emergency communication through police wireless, ham radio, etc. Arrange supply of food and other items to relief camp in adequate quantities. Supervise rescue and relief activity with district level officers. Inform the representative if help is needed from police and defense forces. Assist armed force in rescue and relief operations. Supervise rescue and relief. Coordinate with various agencies like NGOs. In district level, roles in rescue and relief. Monitor situation, identifying block and village most likely to be affected and issue warnings. Activate control room and keep full watch on the situation. Arrange emergency communication with the help of police wireless and radio, etc. Arrange transport for evacuation of people and livestock. And finally, arrange for temporary shelter relief camp, those who are affected. And role of panchayat in reconstruction and long-term mitigation plan in village level, mean panchayat level. Assist in identifying victims for compensation and then in its distribution. Formulate reconstruction plan for houses, community, building, roads, etc. Help district and block level organization in arranging awareness camp for management and mitigation of disaster and ensure participation of the villages. To organize village level task force volunteers and train them in counter disaster measures. To assist in supervising and monitoring reconstruction and development project. To encourage local people to ensure asset livestock, which should be mandatory for those who can afford. See government help for those who are too poor to afford insurance. Nodal agencies for disaster management. For floods, Ministry of Water Resource and Center for Water Commission. Cyclone, Indian Meteorological Department, and also earthquake, Indian Meteorological Department. They will give a warning. For epidemic, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare like COVID-19. Avian flu, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry is our responsibility. Chemical disaster, Ministry of Environment and Forest. Industrial disaster, Ministry of Labor. And railway accident, Ministry of Railways are responsibilities. Air accident, Ministry of Civil Aviation. Fire, Ministry of Home Affairs. Nuclear accident or incident, Department of Atomic Energy. Mine disaster is the responsibility Department of Mines. Finally, we should know the some agencies and forces during disaster. A National Disaster Mitigation Fund will be administered by NDMA. States and districts will administer mitigation funds. A National Disaster Response Fund will be administered by NDMA through the National Executive Committee. State and district will administer State Disaster Response Fund and Disaster Response Fund respectively. 8 battalion of National Disaster Response Force, that is NDRF, are being trained and deployed with CSSR and MFR requirement and tools in 8 strategic locations. A National Disaster Management Policy NDMP and National Disaster Response Plan NDRP will also be drawn up. Yeah, hope we have some knowledge about disaster roles and responsibilities of Panchayat Raj and state, central and other stakeholders. Thank you.